Alright y'all, so I am doing a review on Wet Kiss Amazon. It came in a little bag inside of this. It came with some lashes and a stocking cap. It's their short pixie cut wig. It's a 13 by 4 inch cam parted on either side. It feels very nice. It's very soft. It doesn't have a smell. It has the clamps on the inside. It has the elastic band. I did tint the lace a little bit. So I went ahead and did a quick little bead for y'all. I used their lashes that they sent. Yeah, I like it. It's giving very much 90s vibes. Very much Nia Longish from Love Jones. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.